Are you ready to embark on a journey towards financial abundance? In today's fast-paced world, relying solely on a single income stream is becoming outdated. But have you considered the potential of passive income? In today's video, we're diving into the world of passive income, something that could change your life in 2024 and beyond. Are you excited to learn about these 12 easy ways to earn money? It's natural to feel a mix of curiosity and anticipation. After all, who wouldn't want to discover simple methods to boost their finances? So, let's get started on this journey together, exploring opportunities that could lead to financial freedom and a brighter future. Get ready to unlock the secrets of wealth building in the most accessible and straightforward ways possible. 1. Online polling. Our journey kicks off with online polling, a simple yet powerful method. By sharing your opinions with eager businesses seeking feedback, you can earn extra cash effortlessly. The beauty of this approach lies in its flexibility. Whether you're commuting, waiting in line, or indulging in a Netflix binge, you can seize those idle moments to boost your income. While it won't instantly make you a millionaire, it's a fantastic way to supplement your earnings with minimal effort. 2. Car sharing. Are you tired of the same old routine with ride sharing? It might be time to explore a different avenue. Car sharing. Instead of simply ferrying passengers around, why not put your idle car to work by renting it out on platforms like Turo? You'd be surprised. Some users are bringing in an average of $620 every month. It's not just a way to earn some extra cash, it's a practical solution to your transportation needs. Plus, it's a win-win situation. You're making money while your car isn't in use, and someone else gets the convenience of a vehicle when they need it. 3. Resell your items. Have you ever looked around your home and realized there's a bunch of stuff you don't use? Well, it's time to do something about it and turn those items into cash. Whether it's old clothes, electronics, or household items, you can sell them on platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. But here's the exciting part. You can also hunt for bargains at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces, and then sell those items for a higher price. It's a simple way to make some extra money, and who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent for spotting valuable items. 4. Online tutoring. If you know your stuff, why not try online tutoring? Places like VIPKid and BrainFuse let you share what you know and make some extra cash every month. Teaching through video calls helps students learn better, and it gives you a steady income. It's a great way to help others while also building your own success, and maybe even having some fun along the way. 5. Pet services. If you're an animal lover, getting into pet services can be really rewarding. Whether you're taking care of someone's pet, giving them a bath, or taking them for a walk, there's so much to do in the pet industry. And the best part? Most pet owners have specific times they need help, so it's easy to fit into your schedule. It's not just about the pets, it's about making their lives, and yours, better while making some extra money on the side. Helping animals can bring a lot of joy, and earning money while doing it is just the cherry on top. 6. Food delivery. If you're looking to earn some extra cash, consider becoming a food or grocery delivery driver. Whether you sign up with Uber Eats or Instacart, there's a rising need for quick deliveries. While it might not be the fanciest job, it's a reliable way to pay your bills. And the best part? You'll be joining a thriving industry that keeps on growing, offering not just financial stability, but also the opportunity to be part of something big. So, hop in, hit the road, and start earning that extra income today. 7. Dog walking. Ever seen someone effortlessly walking a pack of dogs and wondered how they do it? Chances are they're using a dog walking app to turn their love for canines into a profitable side hustle. Platforms like PetSitter Plus and Rover offer more than just a hobby. They provide a source of additional revenue. By catering to pet owners' needs and schedules, you can turn your passion for dogs into a lucrative endeavor. 8. Host on Airbnb or Verbo. Opening your home to travelers through platforms like Airbnb or Verbo can be a real game changer for your finances. Not only does it help you maximize the use of your space, but it also allows you to earn some extra money on the side. It's a fantastic opportunity to put your property to good use and provide guests with a unique and memorable experience. Plus, with the increasing number of people traveling, this could be your golden ticket to generating passive income effortlessly. So why wait? Start hosting and see the cash flow in. 9. Freelancing on Upwork. With more people working from home, freelancing has become a big deal, and Upwork is where it's all happening. If you're good at writing, data entry, audio editing, or social media, there's a job for you. The best part? You can choose projects you like and work when you want. It's perfect for those juggling a full-time job but still want to earn extra on the side. Upwork opens up a world of possibilities, putting you in control of your hustle and your time. 10. The road to profits. For car enthusiasts with access to a vehicle, becoming a rideshare driver with Uber or Lyft can be a lucrative endeavor. This flexible opportunity allows you to set your own hours, making it an attractive option for those seeking to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash or explore your passion for driving, ride-sharing offers a pathway to financial independence and freedom. 11. Start a blog. Don't underestimate the power of blogging as a sustainable online side business. While it may not lead to instant wealth, it has the potential to generate a consistent stream of income through avenues like affiliate marketing and sponsored partnerships. By creating valuable content that resonates with your audience, you can build a loyal following and monetize your blog effectively. It's a journey that requires dedication but offers long-term rewards. 12. Building your financial empire. In the vast online universe, your brand is your most valuable asset. By establishing a trustworthy and recognizable brand that resonates with your target audience, you can turn it into a profitable side hustle. With dedication and strategic planning, you can leverage your brand to generate passive income streams and unlock new opportunities for growth. These are the secret ingredients that have propelled individuals like Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg to financial stardom. So, there you have it, 12 simple ways to earn money without working too hard. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and taking small steps toward financial freedom. Whether it's sharing your opinions online, renting out your car, or offering pet services, there are plenty of opportunities out there. So why not give it a try? With a little effort and determination, you could be well on your way to getting rich in 2024. So go ahead, explore these passive income ideas and see where they take you. It's easier than you think. I hope you found these passive income ideas inspiring and valuable. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue uncovering new ways to achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.